Hello, welcome to Class Catalyst Cares. So this is the simplified version of the SEL platform, Class Catalyst. The big difference is that you as the caring adult, whether you're a teacher, a counselor, a parent even, you can create your own account from our website and then invite your kids to use the tool. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get started. In this video, we'll be covering creating an account, creating a check-in group, adding kids, viewing kids, resetting passwords, inviting students, and finding your group code. So only the adult user needs to create an account. So if I'm a teacher and I want to set up my class with a few of my students, then I'm going to come here, classcatalyst.cares.app/register. Go ahead and just type in your information, name, email. You're going to create your own password and then your user type and click register. Once you've registered, it's going to go right into your teacher account. So the first thing to do is to create your check-in group. So even if you're a parent and you only need to add one kid to your group, you still need to create a group and then provide your kid your group code. That way you can view their check-in data. I already have a few up here because I've been testing it out, but if you're new, you're going to go ahead and click Add Group. Type in your group name, so this could be your last name, something that your students would recognize, your grade level, and then we recommend keeping the activities on and even having this recheck after activity. So that's going to be that whole student flow. Click Create Group. Great, now you've created your group and now you need to add your kids. So to do that, you're going to manually enter your student information. So click Add a Kid button and then enter in their name, grade, birth date. Now if they have a Google email address, and most of our school partners do, their school email is a Google account, go ahead and type in that information here. And what that's going to do, that will enable their Google sign-in. Once you click Save Kid, you can actually view the students that you have. So if I go to View Kids, I can see who I've entered. So I've got a couple of tester kids in here. Now let's say my students don't use Google email address, then they have a username. So their username is their first name dot last name, and then their password is going to be their birthday. And it's going to be their birthday, month, and day. And that is our first step. So we have our group, and we've added our kids. Now this here, password reset, let's say your students are using the username and password, you can always go back here and reset it back to their birthday. And that's going to be right there. So we've just created our check-in group. We've manually entered our kids. Now the next step is to invite your students to your check-in group. To do that, go to the menu and go into Group View. This is where we're going to find our group code. So in order to invite your kids to the tool, you need to send them an email that includes your group code. That's how your students are tied to your class, and that's how you get to view their check-in data. In my testers, I've already provided that info. So this is my test kiddo. He's already in my class, which is why you're seeing some data. Let me pretend like I'm a student and I'm signing in for the first time. This is my test kiddo. If I'm signing in for the first time, I'm going to see this Add Class button only. I'll click the button and then provide the class code that we just looked at on our group view page. Thanks so much for listening and following along. If you'd like more information, visit classcatalyst.cares.com. If you have any questions about setup or implementation, reach out to us at support@classcatalyst.com. We're here for you.